Balance your passion and profit. Never kong naging passion ang pagsuot ng jewelry. Nagbenta lang ako and I put up stores because I was after profit that time. After all, babad kami sa utang dahil sa mga business mistakes namin and ang aming jewelry business was the only one na pinakamatibay. Ang totoong passion ko has always been teaching and training. Obvious ba? So anak, eto ang lesson ko for you. Dapat balanse ang passion at profit. Mahihirapan kang i-grow ang business mo kung money lang ang habol mo. Kaya sabi ko sa sarili ko, ano ako maging passionate kaya sa jewelry business namin kahit na hindi ako mahilig sa jewelry? And I found it. Nagkwento kasi ang mga customers na namin mismo kung paano sila natutulungan ng jewelry na binili nila sa amin. Sabi nila, ang jewelry ay hindi lang investment that you can wear. It is also something that will save you during emergencies like calamities at saka typhoons. Also sa gera, tulad ng mga siege na nangyari sa Mindanao. Nang mawala na ang lahat, it was only jewelry that allowed them to start their new lives from scratch. So, I hired people who were passionate about jewelry and I trained them to sell and to serve our customers very well. Kaya, hanapin ang inyong passion and balance it with profit. And that's being business-minded, Pinoy.